You guys want to see a 12th century bridge? Still working today. Oh, let's check this out, guys. This is amazing. Guys, the Kampong Kdei bridge was built in the 12th century. It has survived many occupations in Cambodia. It has been around since the 12th century. That's a very long time. If the walls could talk, so much we could learn from history. The Khmer Rouge it survived, and just to be here and see, I can hear crickets, insects. I see some turtles out here in this pond. But if you just look behind me here, guys, at this bridge, I mean, is this not amazing or what? We'll go up top here in a second too, and we'll check it out some more, just to give you an idea of what's allowed on the road. It's off a little side road here, and we'll leave the location below. So if you guys are in Cambodia and you're doing like me, you're just enjoying the country and riding around on a moto, or if you're a tourist and you get a chance to stop by all means, this is a worthy check, especially if you like history like me. Let's continue to look at it, guys. This bridge spans 285 feet, and at one point in time it was the world's largest stone arch bridge. Now obviously that's been replaced at some point. However, this has got to be one of the last remaining original stone arch bridges. Just incredible, this country, Cambodia, which I love so much and I call home, and the history behind everything. Let's continue to check out the grounds here, guys. Guys, as you can see here, they've got it blocked off here, so no big trucks, nothing heavy that could damage the bridge. Used for motos, like I said, bicycles, and as a footbridge. Right here, as you can see, they block everything off, which is good. Hopefully for generations to come, Khmer people can enjoy their history and continue to for a long time. This bridge right now, as I'm getting ready to cross it here, goes across the Kdei River. I do believe I said that wrong. Kdei, yeah. But look at the well-worn sandstone, guys. Look at that. I mean, it's just worn away from time and weather, heat, rain. But very interesting to think about. I mean, this is before cars, before cell phones, before electricity. This goes way back to the Khmer Empire, the original Khmer Empire, which at one point was part of, Thailand was part of that, Vietnam, a lot of this part of Southeast Asia was all original Cambodian people land. And obviously through time and wars and whatnot, things have changed. However, it's really exciting and neat to see this bridge still standing to this day. If you guys look in the distance, you can see they dam up the river there with nets, and that's how they catch the fish. A lot of the people here still live the original Khmer way, with the original Khmer air conditioning, as my wonderful wife Linda says, which is basically the original Khmer aircon is just when the wind blows. I love it. Yeah, whoever thought, you know, things that some of us in the West take for granted, you know. Guys can look here on these stones. They've got holes drilled. I'd imagine that was how they carried them to put them in place. They would have had to have drilled some holes to get the sticks through, the bamboo most likely, to carry and put in place. It's really fascinating. Guys, come out here and visit, and you're a tourist or you live here and you're Khmer, don't worry if you're hungry. They've got lots of great places here. You can grab a quick bite. We've got some street food. We've got snacks. We've got soda pop, Coca-Cola, whatever you guys like. It's here right now. So let's go see if we can find somebody cooking and give you guys some ideas. Okay, guys, we've got a local girl here. Hello, how are you? Say hello to everybody. This is a sweet treat, right? Did you make? Like a cornbread. Very nice. Thank you, On. I appreciate it. You guys can see it too. We've got the baby shrimp here for takeaway. You guys can take that and put that in the room. We've got nice little tea sets for those of you that like to do that, especially if you're coming from out of the country and you're a tourist and you want to visit. We've got a lot of handmade handicrafts here too, and I'm sure Owen will take good care of you on the price. So I'll come try on. Thank you. Okay guys, we got palm coconuts right here, and what she's doing here is she's cutting a palm coconut and then she puts it in here, and with some palm sugar, like palm tree for those of you that don't know palm, and then she melts it, and then they put it over this here. Let's see, open again for me there. Yeah, and those little sweetbreads there that are made from you say coconut and rice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah, very good guys. Hey guys, I got to get back on the road here, but as you can see, a lot of history here in Cambodia. Great food too. Don't be scared to try the street food. I love it here. Never been sick. Everybody's cooking really good food. It's a way of life for so many, and appreciate Owen and Bong over there to helping out and showing me around a little bit to see what's what. And I look forward to seeing you guys in Cambodia. We do. My wife and I love Cambodia and the people. Of course, she is Khmer. So, but at any rate, we will see you guys. And next time, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. Ciao.